Welcome back to Bull Legends Crypto. My name is Phil, and I know it looks like I wear the same thing every day, because I do. Not exactly. I obviously wash my clothes as well as my hats. I just wear undershirts, and later at night, which is when I do these videos, I'm have taken off my t-shirt, so wearing my undershirts. So anyway, trying to do this director's view on my cell phone. Not working all that well. You can barely see my face. I have to kind of like slump down. But anyway, I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart here. We did have an ascending wedge, which is a bearish pattern. You normally would expect a bearish breakout, like exactly what happened here. You do see that a lot. I forget the percentage. I think it's 60 to 70% chance it'll be a bearish breakout. Which is, it's not a bad thing. A lot of traders, no matter what time frame you're really trading, you could use this as a better entry for when we go higher. Maybe stack up some of your bags right here at this between 60,000 and hold on a second. Between 60,000 and sums up with my thing here. God, this TradingView sucks, dude. I need to get TradingView Pro whenever I get some money. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Thanks for that while I'm making a video. So, anyway, guys, back here, same thing. You can call it a channel, a wedge. It actually looks more like a wedge. But anyway, there was a bearish breakout here at the end. I charted this a long time ago. When was this? Early August. Late July, early August is when I plotted this. I think we were right. I don't know. There had to be more than 5 touches. We were somewhere right here. I plotted this channel, had a bearish breakout, consolidated for almost a week, small pump, and a small dump. Again, consolidated until we had that major breakout right here on the last day of September. Now we've been riding that ever since until the 20th is when we started falling. Now, for me looking at this, I would have to say maybe bounce around the 60, 62 area for a little while. Maybe even come back up to 63 or 64, back to old all-time highs. With a nice couple bounces, maybe like a double bounce. Boom, boom, well, right now we're making a higher low. If we come up and bounce back down and make another higher low, that would be really bullish, because that's just confirmation. So you have the reaction low. Let me zoom in a little bit. We're reacting here at this level. If we come up and bounce off a similar level, whether it's a higher low or an equal low, that'll be confirmation that the low is in and we will head off. It's not a guarantee, but once you get a confirmation low, the chances of pumping up from there is very, very, very high. I've seen it a lot looking at all kinds of charts, man. The confirmation low is where it's at. Reaction low doesn't mean anything, and I don't even see a harmonic here. I don't see a harmonic here, even if we go. Yeah, it's not deep enough. Yeah, no. Don't got anything here, but a little M shape, upward M shape action. Yeah, man, it's good stuff though. I'm excited, dude. I really am excited. Um, what else would people want to look at? I know what I want to look at. It's my coins, dude. Oh, yeah, let's look at this guy. Oh, yeah. Let's look at Stellar for a second because it's got some really good chart action going on with it. Bitfinex, whatever. Okay, let's go to logs. Am I a log scale? Yes, I am. Okay, so let me get my lines. Right about here is a resistance. You see, it was a wick high from the 6th of January. Another wick touched it 7th of February. We broke out all the way to 59 cents, wicked up to 60 cents, came back down, broke back down underneath, which, we would have wanted to see it be used as support. Unfortunately, we broke through. This is back in February, and regarded as resistance, bounced around, boom, 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 resistance, broke through again, and essentially headed straight towards 67 to 68 cents. Came back down. We did bounce off it as support here and ran right back up to 80 cents, which is the all-time high. 80 cents was the all-time high, I do believe. Right there. Just plot that real quick. So that's our high. Let's make that another color. Make it red. Okay, so, and make this one no. Make this one, make it blue. Why not? Okay, so right now, look where we're at right now, right here. We're right underneath this. We did play around with it. Came up towards the 17th of August. Again, the 6th of September. And just more recently, the 17th of October, bounced off it. Resistance still. So that's about three tries at it. Oh, that didn't quite go to 41 though. So we got two. Boom, boom. And the third one's going to break more than likely. I would assume the third try is going to break this resistance right here, and we'll head up straight towards all-time highs essentially. I mean, it might take a couple weeks maybe, but we're going to 80 cents and higher for sure, dude. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time at this point. Let's see if I can get a harmonic out of this. We'll start right here. No. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, it'd be back. It'd be back a little more. See, I'm still learning, guys. Still learning. Yep. Yep. The 1272. Wait, let me get this more exact. I do believe that is Bartley, busted Gartley, which is a bullish pattern. Bearish Bartley is a bullish pattern. I'm sorry to bore you guys, but let's go to the next one. I bet people want to look at Cardano. Whoa. Yeah, a little choppy here, guys. A little choppy. Yeah, I don't like this one. Let's do KuCoin. Yes, KuCoin looks a lot better. Okay. So if you look at this, it does appear to be quite the accumulation consolidation pattern. I mean, we broke a supply line right here, 3 touches, broke down right out there. So we broke out on the 2nd of October, but it didn't matter. Cardano didn't give a shit. Normally you'd kind of moon, but you break a supply line. But Cardano didn't give a shit. It was just do. Nobody cares until I moon again. Then people are gonna care and wish they loaded their bags up, you know. But let's see what we got going on here. Symmetrical triangle. Something like a symmetrical triangle. Or upsloping a little bit. There you go. Triangle, ready for a breakout. Definitely gonna break out in, what's today? 23rd, 4, 25, 26. In the next week for sure. You'll never, I don't like to use the word never, but you'll very rarely see a pattern continue consolidating through a symmetrical triangle. There's always going to be a breakout towards the upside or the downside because it's price contraction here. Supply is going to meet demand, and one of the two are going to break. Either there's going to be less supply, more demand up, or vice versa and down. You see? So, I mean, these are pretty basic ideals here with the charts. I got a closing here. That looks great. If I was streaming, I would know, and someone in the chat would have been like, dude, what the hell? But, anyway. Yeah, man, I just, I'm still pretty new to this, doing charts on my own. I've been watching people do charts for a very long time. And like I said, I'm starting to actually do some real reading into the deeper, like, ideals, I guess you'd say, or the deeper concepts about the information and the visuals and the background and all that stuff. But it's just very interesting to me. What else do I want to look at? What was pumping today? Ooh, we could look at MATIC. I want to look at MATIC. I haven't seen the chart in a while. Okay, wow. Whoa. Huh. Okay, yep. There's some really good stuff here. After the recent pump here, it does appear we're making higher lows. See, these are almost the same right here, these two. And then these are higher low, even higher low, and then another pump. So this is really bullish chart right now. I'm sure we'll be at $2 pretty quickly let's see if we got much resistance. You always gotta look to the left. That is a fundamental thing of charts, is if you're unsure, look to the left and you'll see close there and one there. So between $1.69 and $1.76 on MATIC, I do expect some resistance. Whether it's a little resistance or a lot of resistance, I have no idea, but those were some recent peaks back in early September and August 21st. Let's zoom out even further. Oh yeah, yep. So looking over here, you do see the all-time high, obviously, not counting the wick, is about 259. And then we have some choppiness where we bounced around here at $1.89. So you got inflection points. You do have inflection points. Seem to be a little more major between 176 and 189. Seems to be a choppy area back here. But let's get rid of this. We don't really need that. So once you get there, we'll worry about that then, right? But yeah, I just want to make a little chart video, just kind of look at a couple charts real quick, brush up on some of the fundamental chart basics. I mean, guys, if you would have bought MATIC, that's now called Polygon, in early January, you would have got it for 3 cents. Is that right? Yeah, 3.5 cents. And then back here, even lower, 1 cent. Back in December last year, if you would have bought this coin for a penny and rode it all the way up to $2.71, you would have made a lot of money. That's what's great about crypto, man. You get in early, you hold, and you watch it go up and down, and you just hold. And then by the time you know it, you made lots and lots of money by simply investing in an asset and not being a little chicken shit and panic selling, or being dumb enough to buy at all-time highs. So the patient are definitely rewarded, and the money always shifts from the impatient to the patient. Me personally, the way I live my life, I'm very impatient with all other things, but with this, I understand that core concept of being patient. If I want to make money, which I do, I have to be patient. Okay? So if you guys just keep being patient, keep investing, don't invest too much, don't put your rent money on the line, don't do anything like that. With me showing you this chart stuff, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just showing you what I do in my personal journey of what I do. Is I try to not go off what anybody really says. I might respect people's opinion in this space who have rational and logical comments and videos, articles. However, I don't take anyone for 100%, as I don't think you should. I don't think you should take me for 100%. Do your own research. Look at your own stuff, read your own stuff, look at your own charts, get into it, have fun with it. I'm just kind of going on right now, but I'm excited, dude. There's a lot of good stuff going on here. If you buy here and you sell here, you will have effectively made more money than most of your peers, depending on your investment, your position sizing, your risk management and stuff, depending on all that. But generally speaking, a day's worth of work for your peers, you will, a year's worth of work for your peers, you will have made in a month, 2 months, so just by holding an asset. Cryptocurrency is just quantum, what was it? Raoul Paul says the exponential age, and it's totally true, man, because I was thinking that years and years ago. I'm like, well, if we're all headed this way with technology and this and that, and it's advancing at such a exponential level, so should everything else. So should the financial sector, so should religion and spirituality, so should education and all that stuff. We can get into that stuff a little bit in my other videos, but I really want to stick to crypto. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it very much. Appreciate you watching my video. I hope you learned at least one thing, and have a good night. Take care. Bull Legends out.